Hey fam, Wendy here, aka the Thrifty Sewist. We have a cash stuffing to get done, so let's get right into it. Let's see how much I got from the bank. $535. Let's give it a quick count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 94, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 535. All right, let's get some of this stuff out of the way. Grab my cash tray. And let's make sure you all can see that. Okay, perfect. All right, so how's everyone's November going so far? Hopefully well. I need to start having a better game plan for my videos because I literally just hit record and kind of wing it. So will I ever learn my lesson? Who knows? I did say in my last video that I am going to do my savings challenge separately, so that will be a separate video. So I am going to film that right after this one, so just keep an eye out for that. And let's see, I'm trying to find my page here where I did my cash stuffing tracker. I had it marked, but I obviously had the wrong page marked. Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm just going to keep this in the background. You won't be able to see it, but basically it just tells me which bills I set aside for which funds, basically. All right, so let's start with the cash envelopes. I did film an unstuffing of these with how much money I had left over. I made a short out of that, so check that out. I will link that right up here in the corner. So let's just go ahead and get to stuffing. So for fun, we're going to get 150 just like always. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 10s, 1, 2, and 2 5s. Let's make sure that's 150, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Okay, 150 for fun. Last week, I was so proud of myself. I barely spent anything out of my cash envelopes other than gas and dining. Those are always going to be spent. I think I may have spent kids too, but I was so proud to have so much money left. As I said, I am trying not to do a lot of spending because I definitely overspent in October. But I know I'm going to spend more of this next 2 weeks because I have like a girls' dinner that I'm going to and some stuff like that. These envelopes are already getting like crappy. I want to make some new ones. It's just like actually having the motivation to get up and do it. Okay, kids, $25, which is a 20 and a 5. They usually don't need anything, but I find myself spending this money every time, so go figure. Dining gets 75, so 2 20s, 3 10s, and a 5. 20, 40, 50, 60, 75 for dining. Gas gets 50. And 50 is good for 2 weeks if we don't like drive anywhere decently far. Which we probably won't because it's going to be getting colder and all of that. So we'll just see how that goes. And then miscellaneous gets 40, which I did a 20 and 2 10s for. All right, that's it for cash envelopes. Let's go ahead and stuff the sinking funds. I think this will probably be a pretty short video. Okay, subs is going to get $5. These are subscriptions. I'm going to try and save up to pay yearly for some, or even if not yearly, you know, just to have a couple extra dollars towards them. Okay, got this all colored in. This was a freebie from Two Sister Bees. It was something they threw in with my order. So I don't know if you can get this anymore because it was from October, but check out their Etsy shop. They have a lot of fun and unique stuff. So that is $5 for subs, and we now have $5, $6, $7, $8. We're on our way there. All right, next we have, I'll have to update my trackers later. Let's see, Prime, we put $18 in here. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And Prime now has 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. The Prime subscription, I think, is, I don't know, like 130 some, and mine renews in March, so I want to make sure that I have enough money for that. Let me go ahead and color in one of these TVs. And I don't have to stuff this every single paycheck, almost every paycheck. But I started it in enough time that I could skip, I think, 2 paychecks. So that's always good if I don't have that extra 18 bucks. Okay. Sewing is not getting anything. Just trying to dry this off a little bit. Vacation is not getting anything. Beauty is going to get $50. And that is going to be 2 20s and a 10. So $50 in there now. As I've said a million times, I have a massage booked for December, so I need to have enough saved up for that. Beauty, so we added 50, so we finally get to color some of these in. Okay. Comment below if you'd like to see the coloring. I know it's like sort of 50-50 split. Some people do, some people don't. Let me know below. I'm just curious. Okay. I think that may be it for this binder. Yep. Okay. Let's grab our other binder. Okay, let's see. So Penelope gets $10. I can't believe I didn't put anything for Christmas. I guess that's going to be next paycheck. I should be doing something for Christmas every single paycheck, but it's just not enough to go around. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now in Penelope, she has a vet appointment coming up in December, next month. And as we know, that can be expensive. Medical. Where is medical? You know, like you try to do things quick on camera and then half the time I just end up taking even longer. Okay, medical is getting $10. So in medical, we now have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, and then birthdays and gifting is going to get 40. So 20, 40. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. Nice. I do need to buy my husband a birthday gift. His birthday was October 29th, and he wants a pair of shoes, and I've been asking him to pick out a damn pair of shoes for the last 4 weeks. He still hasn't. So that's probably all going to be spent. And then my mom's birthday is this month as well. So I'm glad to have some money towards that. Okay, that is it, fam. Short and sweet video today. Not a lot of stuff. Not a lot to stuff. Remember that I'm going to post a separate video for the savings challenges, and I have a lot of money left over for savings challenges, so I'm super excited. Please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join the fam and be my best friend. Could never have too many friends, right? Leave a comment below, like the video, and until next time, bye fam!